Hi, Raneen. I can't send photos through the email inside the course, so I'm going to try a quick video link instead and see if this is probably more helpful anyway. I think you probably found the assignment page. I think it's probably just you're not understanding what I mean by headline and photo maybe, because finding the assignment page is the same as any other activity you've done. So just in case, we go through announcements if you like. And then if we go down to the Unit 3 Activity 2 announcement, we can click on the link here. And if you prefer, instead of going through the announcement, you can go through the content, and we can go through the content and find Unit 3 Activity 2, and we can click right here as well too, so the news, Activity 2. But when it opens, of course, you have the content page. So what I mean by content page is every activity has a content page and an assignment page. And so you've hopefully always gone through the content page, and it'll go through all the different parts of a news article and hopefully give you a good understanding of what needs to be in a news article. I would say the most important parts are right here. It goes over headline, dateline, byline, photo, caption, and then the different paragraphs and the quotations that you would have to include, because all of that's going to need to be in your news article. And then, of course, you've got more detail about news articles as you go on. But you were asking about the assignment page, so we click on the assignment page. And I would suggest watching my video where I explain how to do the assignment right here. But then you see your headlines right here. Headline number 1 and the photo that goes with it. Headline number 2 and the photo that goes with it. Headline number 3 and the photo that goes with it. So you're going to choose, it says choose one of the following 3 headlines and photos. So you're going to choose one of these. So this headline and this photo, for example, and you're going to write a news article on it. I hope that works. I get the sense that you've already been to this page because you quoted this to me. So I'm not understanding. I'm thinking maybe the photos aren't showing up for you. If that's the case, please let me know. Okay, but I hope this solves the problem. If not, you can always send me an email or log into Google Meet tomorrow, and I can help you that way. Okay, thanks.